So, apat yung need natin gawin, which is decrude. So, first one is to create 4 records. Second one is to view 2 records. Third one is yung update 2 records. And yan last yung delete 2 records. So, unang natin gagawin is yung create 4 records. So, apat na student information. Yan. So, nakapag-add tayo ng 4 na student information, and then pagdating dito sa database, dapat updated na siya dito. Ayan. So 4 students yun nandito, and then pagdating dito sa database, 4 din yung naka-input. Next na gagawin is yung view 2 records. So first one, ito, first student. Then next one is ito. Then yung next na gagawin is yung update 2 records. So update natin ito. So, palitan to ng mark, and then papalitan ng 20. Ayan, so napalitan yung first name ng Mark, and then yung age is 20. Then pagdating dito sa database, mapapalitan din ito ng 20, and then ito Mark. Ayan, so napalitan na. Then next student naman, so pinalitan din yung first name ng May, and then yung age is 19. And so age niya ngayon is 19 na, and then yung first name is May, and then pagdating sa database, pag Shino, ayun, nagpalit din siya ng first name tsaka ng age. Then yung next na ipe-perform is yung delete. So delete 2 records. So di-delete natin yung ito, si student 4, and then si student 3. So wala na siya dito sa list, and dito dapat mawawala din siya. Ayan. So nawala na yung student 3 tsaka 4. Yun lang.